Hey everybody, it's Jeff at Rydell Chevrolet. The other night I was out here helping one of our guests get their belongings out of a vehicle that was totaled. And I thought, this is a perfect time to talk about this because this is a vehicle here. It's a 2021 Silverado. The customer's okay, did not get hurt at all because of the great safety features of the Chevrolet. But this vehicle here that he was driving actually swerved from hitting a deer instead of hitting a deer. And I just want to show you the vehicle. And then I thought this would be a perfect time because maybe not a lot of people know this. We're going to talk about this for a minute. We'll see you in a minute. Okay, it's Jeff again from Rydell. I thought I'd step inside the body shop to talk just a little bit about deer season and deer hits. I know that most of us probably know somebody that have hit a deer or have hit a deer themselves, but I wanted to bring some things to our attention just to maybe help you avoid it in the future and give you some stats on Iowa itself. So according to State Farm, Iowa is ranked in the top 10 for deer collisions. You have a 1 in 59% chance in this year of hitting a deer while you're driving. So I did a little bit of research and I come up with some tips here that can maybe help you avoid that or help you in the future if you actually do hit a deer. So one of the tips here they say is to always stay alert. Make sure you're paying attention to the roadsides in front of you. They put that stuff on the side of the road for a reason. So make sure that you're paying attention to that, especially when you're near water or if you're near woods. The other thing that they say on there is to always use your high beams when you're coming into those areas, if at all possible. You don't want to put your high beams on when someone's coming at you, but if you can put your high beams on, make sure that you put them on. Other thing is, as we've seen here, do not swerve. They always say do not swerve. You want to maintain control of your vehicle and brake, okay? If someone's behind you, you want to brake lightly, tap your brakes so that they know that you're coming up on something. If no one's behind you, maintain your vehicle going straight and brake as hard as you possibly can, as hard as you feel safe doing, okay? Obviously, you want to reduce your speed, things like that. The peak time for deer hits, we're in it right now, ladies and gentlemen. October through November, dusk and dawn. That's the peak time in the state of Iowa for deer hits, okay? The other thing, I did a little research here. Some people say, what if you actually hit a deer? What do I do if I actually hit a deer? If you hit a deer, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to move your vehicle off the road to a safe place, if possible. If it's not possible at all, make sure that you turn your flashers on, okay? The other thing that I would suggest also is to look for fluids running out of your vehicle, okay? Orange fluid or green fluid is going to be antifreeze. Bright or dark red is going to be transmission fluid, and a brown or a darker fluid is going to be oil. If you see any of those things, shut the vehicle off and the vehicle cannot be moved. Do not move it, leave it sit. The next thing that you're going to want to do is once you're safe and you've stopped is alert the authorities, alert law enforcement and alert your insurance company. One after the other, I'd alert law enforcement first, okay? Law enforcement, not enforcement, law enforcement. And the state police will guide you from start to finish. That's what these guys do. They're professionals at it. They see it every day. It's not their first rodeo. They know how to help you through this process, okay? The next thing you want to do is get to a trusted body shop, okay? Have it towed somewhere. Rydell Chevrolet is a DRP, and what DRP means is it means direct repair facility for the following places: Nationwide, AAA, American Family, State Farm, Progressive, Liberty Mutual, MetLife, Farmers, West Bend, just to name a few. What that means is that you can bring your vehicle to a place like this. You don't have to call around, get different estimates and stuff like that. And believe me, we're busy right now. We're helping customers. We're getting you on the road. We have rental cars. We have things like that. But I hope this was helpful. Stay safe and have a great fall. Thanks.